First Wave BioPharma is focusing on developing targeted therapies for gastrointestinal diseases. And with me, CEO James Sapirstein, to talk about this recent COVID trial that you've had, James. And tell me about that. Remind us all about the treatment and how did the trial go?
Well, we're happy that we announced this past week that we have fully enrolled the trial. Fingers crossed for Omicron. It helped us because we missed the Delta wave. But the trial really was to look at patients who had COVID-related GI effects, nausea, diarrhea, and basically you tested the patient when they came in and you tested them 2 weeks afterwards to make sure that they've cleared the virus. So we had to enroll about 150 patients for completion. We enrolled 158. We had no side effects or serious side effects related to the drug that we know of. So we're very, very pleased about that. And in about 45 days, we should have the results of the trial. But we're very happy that the trial is done, completed, and it'll be the first big data output that we have this year.
Okay, look forward to that. We must do an interview when you get those results to talk about what they tell us. So, okay, so what other clinical data releases do you have planned this year?
We're in the middle of ulcerative proctitis trial. Ulcerative proctitis is a subset of ulcerative colitis. It's at the kind of near the rectum, so it's the bottom of the large colon. And that study is being conducted only in Italy at this point. We don't have any clinical sites in the United States, and it's going fairly well. It's blinded, but we do know that the patients have had some resolution. So we're confident that because it's being compared to placebo, we're confident that the drug works in this area. So we're excited. We expect a data readout on this in the second quarter of 2022, the first half of this year.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then also your original program, Adrulipase, make sure I'm saying it right. I always get tripped up on these drug names. So tell me about that. Where does that stand?
So really Adrulipase, which was formerly known as MS-1819, that's really how the company was founded. It's been studied now for 7 years within the company. And last year we had 2 trial results that gave us mixed results, and we realized the problem was our formulation. So it takes about a year or 2 to really redo the formulation, and we're in the midst of finishing that up. The new formulation is looking pretty good so far, and we're excited to release some data in the second quarter of this year. Should that data be positive, we'll probably get into our phase 3 program later on towards the end of this year. Okay.
Sounds like a lot of things upcoming over the next few months that could be very pivotal for the company.
We are working on a lot of things. We're excited. We're also hoping this biotech market bounces back too. I think we're all suffering from the same ills, trying to put products on the market that really can help humankind. But share prices don't reflect that. So we're going to keep working towards delivering data.
It has been a tough market for many sectors already this year. I feel like something switched at the beginning of the year. Thank you so much, James, for joining us. I look forward to hearing the results of these trials.
Thank you. Be safe out there.
You too.